Hey guys, this is how to buy stocks using Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing that you have to do is ensure that you have deposited funds into your Etoro account. So guys, on the left-hand menu, use the search bar at the top and just simply find the stock by its ticker or name. And from there, just simply select the stock to open its overview page. And from there, just simply click trade in the top right corner of the stock page. And from there, guys, ensure the buy is selected at the top of the trade window. And just simply provide the amount that you want to invest. And guys, from there, you should be able to set a stop loss as well to automatically sell the stock if it drops. And you can also set the leverage to 1 times, and you can set a take profit as well to sell the stock if it reaches a specific gain. So guys, just simply choose the order type that you want. You can go for market order, which is buy at the current market price, or limit order, which is set a lower price at which stock will be purchased if it's rich. And from there, you can just simply click the green buy button to confirm the purchase, and from there you should be able to buy stock. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching. See ya.